Click on the link below to get price. The Westcott FJ400 Strobe 2 light location and studio lighting kit, accompanied by the FJX3 transmitter, is a game-changer for photographers seeking versatility without compromising on performance. As a hybrid lighting solution, this kit excels in both studio settings and on-location shoots, providing exceptional flexibility for various photography styles. The FJ400 strobe units are impressively powerful, offering 400 Ws of output, which is more than sufficient for most shooting scenarios. The light quality is superb, delivering consistent, accurate color temperature around 5600 K with minimal variation, crucial for ensuring skin tones and colors remain true to life. The strobe also has a fast recycling time of just 0.1 to 1.5 seconds, allowing you to capture fleeting moments without missing a beat. One of the standout features of this kit is its portability. The FJ400 strobe is lightweight and compact, making it easy to transport to different locations. The included softboxes provide excellent diffusion, creating a soft, flattering light that enhances portraits and product photography alike. The build quality of the equipment feels robust, yet the weight is manageable, making it a practical choice for on-the-go photographers. The FJX3 transmitter is another highlight, offering seamless integration with Canon, Nikon, and Sony cameras. The wireless trigger has a range of up to 328 feet, allowing for creative freedom in positioning your lights without the hassle of cables. The intuitive interface is user-friendly, simplifying the adjustment of settings. Overall, the Westcott FJ400 Strobe 2 Light Kit is a highly versatile lighting solution that meets the needs of both amateur and professional photographers. Its combination of power, portability, and ease of use makes it a worthwhile investment, especially for those who prioritize quality in their work. Whether shooting in a studio or outside, this lighting kit can significantly elevate your photography game.